Here in United Arab Emirates, the floor on the street, now this is street and that is road, so floor on the street is called ground floor. This is called ground floor, not first floor. So this is ground floor, and on ground floor here is a elevator. This is called elevator. Now you see, when you come here and you see that here is written G, it means that the elevator is on ground floor. This is ground floor. Now here it means that the elevator is not here on ground floor. This is ground floor. Look at the street. Floor with the street is called ground floor. So here elevator is not on the ground floor. Look at it. Now it is on first floor. Now again it is on the ground floor. Now if I want to go on first floor, second or third floor, because in this building there are only 3 floors. So now this is on ground floor, elevator is on ground floor, and I can open the door without clicking on any button. But if it was on the first, second or third floor elevator, then to bring that elevator down, I was supposed to click this button. Now you see someone enter into this, and now it is going up. So it means first floor. Okay, so he wanted to go on first floor, and now the elevator is on first floor. If I want to bring it down, so I will click this button. Now you see, I click this button and now it will come down. So that shows that elevator is coming down. That sign shows that elevator is coming down. Now again it is on ground floor. G means ground floor. Okay, so I can enter to it. Now let's see, I open the door and I enter into it. When you enter into it, here are ground floor, first, second, third. If I want to go on first, so I will click this one. If I want to go on second, I will click this one. If I want to go on third, I will click this one. Now if one person goes on first, so first I will click this one. Okay, now I reach to first floor. Okay, if you want to go out, so you can go out like this, and another person will come. Now I want to go on second floor, so I will click this one. Now on second floor, but I don't want to go on second floor. Now I want to go on third floor, so I will click this one, and now I'll reach to third floor. Now this is third floor. Okay, and now I will just open the door. I will not push any button. I will just open the door, and I came out to my room. So now you see, here is no any sign, and now the elevator is up here. Okay, so if I want to go down in it, I can go. I will just open. Okay, I open it. Okay, now I want to go on first, second or third or ground floor, but I want to go on ground floor. If I want to go on second floor, so I will click this one. But I don't want to go on second, I want to go on ground floor. So I will click this one for ground floor. There is not G, but it means that this is ground floor. Okay, now I reach to ground floor. and here I will not push any button. I will just open. Now look at this, push. I can push the button and I came out from here. Now look at this, elevator is on ground floor, but now this sign means that elevator is going up. Someone pushed the button to take the elevator up, and now it is on second floor. Now it will be coming down on third floor. Okay, now from third floor someone is coming down, and I will show you now. It means that the elevator is coming down from third floor. Now it reached to second floor. Now elevator will reach to first floor. Oh, he was going to come to the second floor. Now first floor, and now it will reach to the ground floor. Okay, now it reached to the ground floor. Sorry. Now this is on ground floor. Okay, so on ground floor, and again I wanted to get into it, so just enter. Someone another one click the button for the up floor, so that's why it started automatically to go up, because someone else has pushed the button for third floor.